In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys how to make a delicious, yummy yam and plantain porridge. Very easy to make. It doesn't take a lot of time to make. So stay tuned. This recipe, you'll be needing yam and plantain. You can see here I already washed my yam and I peeled them, so you are going to be adding them to the pot. Then I'm going to be putting salt, adding salt, and then I have my crayfish. So you have to put everything because you want everything to know the assignment, and also you want everything to combine to the food. Now I'm just adding a seasoning cube to it to allow it to done alongside with it. So keep watching, and if today is your first time, what are you waiting for? Kindly click on the join button to join my membership, and also kindly subscribe to the channel, share with friends and family as well, and God bless you. Keep watching as you watch how this thing come out.
Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. I need no more clement treasure, got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. Your skincare remedy, so I will give you. I need no more about your skin on you. You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural tissue we use, natural remedy for you. Oh, now, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't even precious. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause you already got the best. Make a tutorial, it did for you. Lifestyle blogging, it did for you. I've been a vlog and cooking. Oh, everything did for you. Subscribe, tell your friends may they join us. So you never hear the gist, so you never get something. Remedy for skincare, vlog and food, that is what I give you. Clement treasure got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some cool vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some cool vibe. Energy too full. I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, we no go back. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some more vibe, giving you some cool vibe, energy full, giving you my good vibe. As if they watch your work, God they bless you. Clement treasure got you. Lifestyle food and villa. Clement treasure got you. Lifestyle food and villa. Skincare we give you. Oh no, everything else we give you.
So it's almost ready. I give it the last turn and I added a pinch of salt to it because it was not tasting salt. So I would give it another turn, and then I just lower my heat. Then I'm going to take it down. So it's ready. You can see I just take it down, then I'll be dishing it out. You can see how yummy it look. It's so delicious. Like, trust me, I'm not trying to crazy. This thing look and it smells so nice. It looks so yummy. So I'm going to be dishing it in a plate so you can see how yummy. I love this consistencies of this yam. It's not too soft, not too strong. Like some yam, it will be too soft. This one is just in a good position, not too soft, not too strong. Including the plantain, I love it. I just love it. I just love the way it is. So one thing about yam flour is that it make your porridge look thicker. A lot of people use yam, but if you use yam, it's like when you use yam to make your porridge thicker, it's like you reduce the quantity of the yam in the food. So I always like to put yam flour. You can put corn flour, any flour you want to put, but I like to put yam flour. Yam flour give it another taste, This is so yummy. You can see how it look. So thank you if you watched to this extent. I really appreciate. I say God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share my video, guys. Share my videos. Another way of supporting this channel. Join my membership, okay, guys? It's another way of supporting this channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.